SGMT Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. SGMT Bioscience stock, I guess I pronounced that right or correct, is 36% up today, which is a significant increase in price. Now, first thing that I'll have is I have a look of the higher time frame chart, seeing some beautiful breaks. That's a green flag. Context, I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships and documented everything. With this SGMT, I mean, I'm definitely seeing those breaks, and I'm just looking to just double down on this bullish market, to be perfectly honest with you. I mean, unless the price pulls down and then gives me that break, then I really wouldn't be buying. So it doesn't even have to reach just the gray area, honestly, but like as long as there's like a decent pullback down, then and only then I'll buy. So what I will do is I'll keep waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye and enjoy.